Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayurveda. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the Brihatri, the features of Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtangahridayam. If you have not watched the videos, please do check out from our YouTube channel Ayurveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. Today we will be moving with the topic on Introduction to Samhita from Samhitaadhyayan1. The topic which will be covered is Lakhutrayi. The Lakhutrayi comprises of three textbooks, that is Madhavanidhana, Bhava Prakasha and Sharangatara Samhita. In short, we will see the acharyas who have written this Lakhutrayi. Madhavanidhana is written by Acharya Madhavakara, Sharangatara Samhita is written by Acharya Sharangatara and Bhava Prakasha is written by Acharya Bhava Mishra. Moving with the features of individual textbooks, first is the Madhavanidhana. The actual name of the textbook is Rukvinishaya, which became popular in the name of Madhavanidhana, which is written by Acharya Madhavakara in the 7th to 8th century. In the 8th century AD, this Madhavanidhana is being translated into Arabic language. This textbook contains 69 chapters in which 79 diseases are described with 1522 shlokas. The other features of Madhavanidhana can be seen as the Nidana Panchaka is being explained in detail in Madhavanidhana. The Nidana Panchaka comprises of Nidana, Purva Rupa, Rupa, Upashaya Anupashaya and Samprapti. Also, the Arishtas in the form of Ubadravas are also told in a systematic way in the textbook Madhavanidhana. Various diseases are explained in this Madhavanidhana as an independent entity, wherein other Samhitas has considered these as a lakshana or the symptoms of various other diseases. The diseases which are being explained in detail in Madhavanidhana are Amavada, Parinamashula, Amlapitta, Shlipata, Shitapitta, Udarta, etc. The major commentary and commentators of Madhavanidhana include Madhukosha, which is being written by Vijayarakshita, Atanga Tarpana, written by Vachaspati, and Roga Vinishchay Vivarana Siddhanta Chintamani, written by Narasimha Kaviraja. Moving with the Sharangatara Samhita, the uniqueness in explaining and presenting certain topics like Nadi Pariksha, Mana, Kashaya Kalpana, etc. can be seen in the Sharangatara Samhita. It is being written by Damodar Sunu Sharangatara in 13th to 14th century AD. This Sharangatara Samhita is containing three sections, that is Purvakanda, Madhyamakanda and Uttarakanda, wherein 32 chapters and 2600 shlokas are explained. The first section, that is the Purvakanda, contains 7 chapters which gives a detailed description of Nadi Pariksha. The Madhyamakanda contains 12 chapters in which the Panchavita Kashaya Kalpana and Dhatu Shodhana are explained, and the 13 chapters of Uttarakanda deals with the Panchakarma, Gandushadhividhi, Netra Kriya Kalpa, etc. The other features or specialities of Sharangatara Samhita include: this textbook explains the classification of Ritu as per Rashi. This is the first textbook to give the detailed description of Nadi Pariksha and also the definitions of various karmas such as Deepana, Pachana, Grahi, etc. Also, this textbook details about the single drug formulations, that is Ekamulika Prayoga. The commentary and commentators of Sharangatara Samhita: Deepika commentary written by Adamalla, Gudartha Deepika written by Kashi Ramavaidya and Ayurveda Deepika written by Rudra Bhatta. Moving with the Bhava Prakasha, it is being written by Bhava Mishra in the time 16th century AD. This Bhava Prakasha is also having 3 sections, that is Purvakanda, Madhyamakanda and Uttarakanda. Apart from this, this textbook is being divided into 7 bhaga, which comprises of 80 chapters and 10,268 shlokas. 7 chapters are present in Purvakhanda, which contains Srishti Prakarana, Dinacharya, Ritucharya, Sharira Vijnana, Garbha Prakarana, and Ahara Aushadha topics. The 71 chapters of Madhyama Kanda explains in detail about Nidana Panchaka, the Chikilsa, Mana Paribhasha, Shodhana Marana Vidhi, and Panchakarma Vidhi. The last 2 chapters of Uttarakanda explains about Rasayana and Vajikarana. Other features of Bhava Prakasha includes that this textbook explains that life is present in the whole body, but especially it is present in Shukra, Rekta, and Purisha. Also, this is the first textbook to explain about the disease, that is the Firanga Roga, and also Pratinidhi Dravya, that is the alternate medicines which can be utilized in the absence of other drugs, has also been explained in the Bhava Prakasha. There is only one popular commentary which is available for Bhava Prakasha, written by Jayadeva, that is Sahavidya Siddhanta Ratnakara. With this, we come to an end to the description of Lakhutrayi, that is Madhavanidana, Sharangadhara Samhita, and Bhava Prakasha. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing more about the topics of Introduction to Samhita from Samhitaadhyayan1. Thank you for watching our videos. Most of our viewers have not subscribed our channel yet. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe our channel Ayurveda and hit the bell icon for more updates on topics of Ayurveda. Also, please keep us supporting by sharing this video with your friends and other fellow students of Ayurveda. Thank you. Have a nice day.